They are not babies with wings, they are living beings of power, the carriers of God's glory. The Bible calls them cherubim, mighty creatures who stand where heaven touches earth. When God placed Adam and Eve outside the garden, it was the cherubim who guarded Eden with a flaming sword. They are beings of unmatched authority. Ezekiel saw them in a vision for living beings with 4 faces, the face of a man, a lion, an ox, and an eagle. They moved like lightning, glowing like burning metal, and wherever they went, the glory of God went with them. Scripture reveals something deeper. God's throne rests upon the cherubim. They are the divine chariot, the throne bearers of the Almighty. When they spread their wings, the sound was like many waters, the voice of the sovereign God. Cherubim do not worship from a distance, they carry the weight of glory itself. They are the guardians, the throne bearers, the heavenly beings who move with the presence of God. When the cherubim move, heaven moves. And where they stand, the glory of God rests. Share this if you believe in the power of God's glory. And follow the Beatz breaker for more biblical revelations of heaven.